Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. It's me him and I hope you guys are doing well. Actually, I was getting few compliments from my last video that my friends were saying I need to improvise in few things, and this time I try to deal with it. Moving forward, in today's session we'll be talking about the Retell lecture. Pretty much Retell lecture and describe image are quite similar. The templates and the patterns that I will provide in this session will be implemented on describe image as well. Alright, let's start with the session now. Well, Retell lecture is a part of speaking test. You'll have 2 to 3 questions. They will give you 10 seconds to prepare for it. Then after on, you'll have 40 seconds to respond to your answers. So in this pattern, I'll tell you some essential information which is really important. First, you should use erasable notepads. If you stop for more than 3 seconds, your mic will stop automatically. And the next information is, you should use connectors, and I'll provide you guys one template and you can work on it as well. So these are the most important key connectors of Retell lecture, where I have mentioned the given topics of the title. Then you should use the key connectors like firstly, moreover, basically, similarly, likewise, in addition to, furthermore, and yet. So always remember, you should be using it while you do a Retell lecture. Apparently, it will be one of the easiest templates for you guys, I think. Pretty much, you just need to deal with the keywords that the lecturer will describe it on recordings. So make sure be ready with a pen and paper, and always try to find some keywords which will be easier for you to fill the blanks. So if you are going with these templates, make sure just to mention the keywords and the blanks. So it goes like that. The lecture is mainly about the topics. Firstly, it is also about means that you will just mention the keywords right there, and rest of the things will go same. I'll describe it once I'll get into the practice test. As you can see, I'm ready with the pen and paper here. I'll just demonstrate this first practice test for you guys. So the lecture itself gives a topic, that is tobacco breaks hard. It also has given a slogan, and it says tobacco, choose health, not tobacco. So what we're gonna do is, we just first write down the topics and the slogan on your copy as a rough. Then once you write down, you start recordings. Then try to catch up the keywords. Try to catch every single words that you can. Then after on, you can just collaborate the words and just express together at the same time. Now we'll start.
Can you tell us about the risks associated with smoking menthol cigarettes?
Well, menthol cigarettes are just as dangerous as regular cigarettes, if not more so. The added menthol flavoring can mask the harshness of tobacco smoke, leading to deeper inhalation and increased exposure to harmful chemicals like carbon monoxide, ammonia, and hydrogen cyanide, all of which can cause cancer, heart disease, and other serious health problems.
Is there any evidence to suggest that menthol cigarettes are more addictive than regular cigarettes?
Yes, studies have shown that menthol cigarettes can be more addictive than regular cigarettes, making it harder for smokers to quit. The menthol flavoring can create a sensation of coolness that can be soothing to the throat and lungs, making it easier for smokers to inhale deeper and more frequently.
Are there any particular groups that are more at risk for smoking menthol cigarettes?
Yes, research has shown that menthol cigarettes are more popular among young people and certain racial and ethnic groups. This has raised concerns about targeted marketing by the tobacco industry, which has long exploited these groups to promote their deadly products.
What do you think should be done to address the issue of menthol cigarettes?
I believe that menthol cigarettes should be banned, as they offer no benefit to smokers, and only serve to increase the risks associated.
As you can see, I have collected 18 words altogether. including tobacco, and its slogan choose health not tobacco. So how I'm gonna use into the templates, I'll demonstrate for you guys. The lecturer is mainly about tobacco and its slogan choose health not tobacco. Firstly, it is also about cigarettes, menthol cigarettes, harshness, and inhale. Similarly, it tells about hydrogen carbon monoxide, cancer, heart disease, serious health problems, addictive and regular cigarettes. Moreover, the lecturer was talking about regular cigarette, coolness, throats and lungs, and it was also talking about young people and its ethnic groups. He also explains about banned menthol cigarettes, awareness, supposed to quit. Yet, I think that's enough. Thank you so much. So basically it ended up like that. So if you wanted to make your template sounds a little bit good, then you can use a lot of connectors that I have provide you. Yeah, you can go with it. So yeah, that was all for the Retell lecture. I was only able to catch up with 18 words including topics and slogans. But if you guys are good enough to catch up to 28 to 30 words and you guys are good enough to deal with the connectors, of course that's gonna help you a lot, and obviously you're gonna get a good marks in your examination. Besides that, always be ready with the pen and paper. Always try to collect a lot of keywords so that you can drag them simultaneously in the blanks. Trust me, that's gonna be effective. The template's really gonna work. We'll see you in the next sessions. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe my channel. Till then, take care, bye bye, have fun.